Video assessment of the damage from the wreck. Definitely hit the muffler. Okay. Also saw that has a split in the weld. Hey you guys, it's been a mess of late. Sorry I haven't posted anything. Been trying to fix the channel, but that's neither here nor there. I'll be posting stuff again soon. Just been massively busy, and I just got the Civic back, so yay, more on that later. Anyway, as I was driving it, I'm hitting the suspension thanks to the car accident. Something is slightly off. I did notice this hanger. Hopefully y'all are in frame. This new camera is, I'm getting used to using it for the short shots. That exhaust hanger is the problem. So we're going to do a little hack till I get the new bumper and we can properly re-weld. See, this piece is actually tearing away from the body ever so slightly. If you saw the video where I was going over the damage, this weld has gotten weak. Anyway, we are going to do a hack to go ahead and tighten this up ever so slightly till I can get to the mechanic and with the new bumper, and then have everything properly welded. You can add a hose clamp to these guys to tighten them up to keep them from swinging as much. And they are a 5/16 head, so hopefully, yeah. Okay, hopefully I have enough threads, which I did. And you just kind of check it. Okay, see, we're not banging anymore. I mean, yeah, if I hit a really big bump. But we still have enough give, and we're not clacking anymore. So there you go. There's a quick little tip for you guys, just in case you have that happen and you need a temporary solution till you can get to an exhaust shop. You can just reach up there, put a nice little hose clamp on there, and you will no longer hit. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And if you happen to find value in this free content, please like and subscribe and drop a comment to let the YouTube algorithm know to push this out to more viewers. That will help to extend the reach of this video and allow it to be seen by the people who need the information. Thank you, and as always, you all have a great day.